Hi guys, welcome to the show that teaches you how to do it. To do what you ask, yes, it is to scale up your business. You're welcome to How to Brand, brought to you by Browntail Nigeria. My name is Tolulope Ayileka, and today you'll be learning about budgeting and its importance to your business. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So before we learn about the importance of budget, you have to know what a budget is, right? Yes. So what is a budget? Now, a budget is basically a financial plan that outlines your company's revenue and expenditure for a period of time. It is basically a plan of your company's expenses. That is what do you guys want to buy, what do you need to get, what materials you need to get, the place you're going to get the money from, and the period of time you're going to spend that money on. So it identifies your capital, your expenses, and also predicts your revenue. That is your income. So you get to know if your business is running at profit or a loss through your budget. So as a business owner, you are always going to spend money. I know a lot of business owners don't like spending money. We always want to sell and get money from customers, but it's not possible. You also have to spend money because you have to spend money to make money. But when you spend without having a plan or any form of control, sooner or later your business is going to run into loss. That is financial loss. So I'm going to tell you the importance of creating a budget for your company. So what are the advantages of budgeting? What are the advantages of creating a budget for your company? Number one, it helps you manage your money effectively. Now, when you budget, you tend to consider your income and your expenses. That is, you consider the money that is coming into your brand, that is money you are making from your sales or your services, and you also consider the things you want to spend it on, whether you want to buy new equipment, you want to buy new raw materials for your product and all. So when you budget, it helps you consider this and it guides you against overspending or underspending, so you get to spend your money wisely. So this is one of the importance of budgeting. Secondly, budgeting helps you monitor your cash flow. Now this is very technical, but I'll explain it to you, don't worry. Now, cash flow is basically the movement of money in and out of your company. So when you budget, you tend to closely monitor your cash flow. That is, you know how much is coming in and you know how much is going out. So it helps you address any inconsistency, or if there's anything wrong with your money. Maybe you're not making enough money, or probably the money coming in is lower compared to the one going out. So it helps you monitor that. Now, thirdly, budgeting helps you monitor performance. Now, since budgeting clearly defines the areas your money is spent on, because okay, I want to get new equipment, 5,000, or I want to get new raw materials for making soap, 10,000. So you know where the money is going to. Now, because of this, it helps you to closely monitor the effectiveness of the money you are spending on that area, that is on that project. And when you can closely monitor it, you can determine if it is beneficial to the company's growth, if the money is really if the money is really working, if the amount you're spending is really showing, if the result is okay or it's not. So that's one of the advantages of budget. Next, budgeting helps you identify problems before they occur. Now, since budgeting helps you monitor your company's performance in relations to where you are pumping your money to, so you'll be able to identify your company's problems and weaknesses easily, and also find a means to overcome them. Now, last but not least, budgeting helps you plan for the future. Now, since it helps you take decisions on your brand goals, you are able to identify where your money is going to. You are able to identify if the funds you are directing to this particular project or this particular part of your business is really generating results. Now, all this will help you make wise decisions, which will guide your organizations in the future. It will guide your future projects, your investment, and the overall growth of your brand. So that's all about that. So I hope you learned something new. I believe you've learned about the importance of budgeting. So remember, don't just spend money when it comes. Don't be like that as the money comes we just spend it. No, you have to be accountable. you have to be accountable to everything that involves your business. So if you have any questions or any comments, ensure that you put them in the comment section below. You can also follow us on all our social media handles on Facebook and on Instagram, and also on YouTube as well. You can also watch other videos because we've done a lot of videos apart from this. Remember, Brantel is powered by Nistas Communication. So till we meet again, bye for now.